Introduction to Azure Synapse ARM deployment. Azure Synapse is a powerful analytics service that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources. Azure Resource Manager or ARM is a deployment and management service that enables you to create and manage Azure resources. In this guide, we will explore why using Azure Synapse ARM deployment is beneficial for your organization. Key concepts and benefits. Using Azure Synapse ARM deployment provides several benefits, including infrastructure as code, which allows you to manage and version your infrastructure resources in a consistent and repeatable manner. It also provides consistency and standardization across your Azure resources, which is crucial for large-scale deployments. Additionally, ARM templates allow you to automate the deployment of Azure resources, which saves time and reduces the risk of human error. Practical example. To illustrate the benefits of Azure Synapse ARM deployment, let's consider an example. Suppose you want to deploy an Azure Synapse workspace with a dedicated SQL pool and a serverless SQL pool. You can create an ARM template that defines the resources and their properties and then deploy the template to Azure. This approach ensures that the resources are deployed consistently and in a repeatable manner. Best practices. To get the most out of Azure Synapse ARM deployment, follow these best practices. First, use a version control system such as Git to manage your ARM templates. This allows you to track changes and collaborate with team members. Second, use a consistent naming convention for your resources and templates. This makes it easier to identify and manage resources. Finally, test and validate your ARM templates before deploying them to production. Conclusion. In conclusion, using Azure Synapse ARM deployment is a powerful way to manage and deploy Azure resources. It provides infrastructure as code, consistency and standardization, and automation, which are crucial for large-scale deployments. By following best practices and using ARM templates, you can ensure that your Azure resources are deployed consistently and in a repeatable manner. This approach saves time, reduces the risk of human error, and improves the overall quality of your Azure deployments.